Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on Werun on your WeChat app. We will go to turn on this mic or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window, then you just click here on my information authorizations. Then you come to a next window here, then you just click here on system permissions, and you come to a next window here, and you just click here on storage, and you come to storage window, you just go down here, then you come here to Werun, you will click, and it's going to show for you window like this. So you click here on this mark, and like you say, Werun, it's turned on now for storage. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you all get it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.